Mount Panorama Bathurst, the mecca of Australian motorsport, and Peter Brock, the undisputed king of the mountain. 2008 marks the 25th anniversary of Brocky winning his 7th Bathurst in a V8 Commodore. The same V8 Commodore that inspired this, the V8 Retro by HDT. Now HDT is a company that's building modern versions of Brock's old classic road vehicles. And as you can see, it's got some of the telltale signs of that. The wind splitters, the bonnet scoop, a new grille, a new bar, and there's also even the original wheels recreated to suit VE Commodore. The V8 Retro comes in a few different versions, basically ranging from mild to wild. There's something for everybody in the mix. And if you want to splurge just that extra little bit, then there's a supercharged version and a 7-litre V8 version. The suspension modifications to the car give it a much more aggressive stance and improve the road handling, which also in turn makes the car feel like a much sportier drive. And if you're going to push the car, you'll be happy to know that there are a couple of Parrot brake upgrade options available that'll make sure you stop when you really want to. The great thing about HDT is the passion that they put into building these cars. It's not a cynical money-making exercise. The quality really is there. So if you want something a little more exciting than an SS or something much more unique than a HSV, then HDT could have the car for you.